Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another naked chart trading, binary option trading without indicator, price action trading without indicator video of those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So I have done here this put because of this change of polarity here. You see how this kind of area is acting here as support and resistance. 1, 2, 3. Broke, yes, and again, so I'm sure that price will close below this level, and that's the reason why I entered here onto a put, yes, because I was sure that price will go down, yes, and you see price is going down in the last few seconds of the expiration time. So, and yes, I wait now, yes, exactly that. I was waiting for that the price will go above the closing price of the previous candle, and then I'm going into a trend continuation trade, yes, after this kind of engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle, yes, and that is exactly those kind of things which I have explained in my ebook. Yes, you see I'm applying those kind of things, exactly those things which I have explained in the ebook on my live trading, and you see it's that are working. Important here is that you have a good entry point, yes, because you see price is retracing back, and sometimes it will not happen that there will be a bearish candle after the bearish engulfing candle, yes, and so you should try to get above the closing price of the previous candle into a trade. So this candle now is showing me that we are getting now into a reversal, and that means I will do a call. I want my entry point should have been here, yes, but no problem. This kind of wick is showing me such huge buying pressure that I'm pretty much sure that price will go up further from this level, because we have here this kind of ranging market, and I'm expecting that price will go up further. So I'm sure that price will go up, but market is doing some kind of panic, yes, but this wick here is telling me something else. This wick is telling me, yeah, price will reverse from this level and price will go up, and maybe it will happen in the last few seconds of the expiration time, yes, where you cannot act anymore. I have explained this, yes, in my ebook about how to predict the running candle, and how to predict the next candle, yes, and you see price is moving up, yes, it's going up, and I'm sure that this will be in the money. Let's see what's happening. Yes, and you see it was in the money, really close, but still in the money. So, okay, that was already a really fast trades here. So I would say, if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say, stay safe and bye-bye.